Hello, my name is Brother Nature, and welcome to our first installation of TMPF Species Smackdown. We've got a great matchup for you today between two common backyard plants. Fighting out of the invasive corner, standing up to 2 feet tall, producing up to 4,800 seeds yearly. Reproducing via rhizomes and listed on the Nevada noxious weed list. Coming to us all the way from Eurasia, Lepidium, tall white top latifolium. Next, fighting out of the native corner, standing up to 5 feet tall, an early colonizer after habitat disturbance, with stunning tubular yellow flowers and an important part of native Nevada culture, Ericameria, rabbit brush, nauseosa. Let's get ready to tumble!
Alright plants, I want a good clean fight. No root gouging, no pulling of the leaves, not hits below the stem. White top, are you ready? Rabbit brush, are you ready? Fight!
Round 1. White tops comes out quick with the early spring resprouts and begins to uptake resources. Rabbit brush counters with deep taproot establishment and early season budding. Round 2. Rabbit brush hits hard by providing desirable native habitat, but white top counters with early season seed dropping. Round 3. Rabbit brush tags in Restoration Tech. The tag properly identifies it and digs out the white top by its roots. With the help of our tech, it looks like rabbit brush is our knockout winner.
Remember to properly identify your backyard plants before removal, and refer to the Nevada noxious weed list for regulations on removal. Thank you for tuning in to TMPF Species Smackdown. Make sure to come back next time and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.